Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you transfer money from Apple Pay to a bank account? And the answer is yes, but it can be a bit tricky because it's not a direct transfer. You see, Apple Pay doesn't allow direct transfers of balances to bank accounts. So you can use Apple Pay Cash or Apple Cash. If you're using Apple Cash, previously called Apple Pay Cash, you can transfer funds to your linked bank account. What are the steps for Apple Cash? 1. Open the wallet app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your Apple Cash card. 3. Tap Transfer to Bank and follow the prompts. It's as simple as that. Be aware of potential transfer fees or limits. Also, transfer times may vary depending on your bank. If you're using Apple Cash, transferring funds to your bank account is possible. However, if you're trying to transfer funds from a different Apple Pay payments method, you might need to explore other options. Hope this video helps you.